Hello friends, today we will learn an important Windows tricks which lets you quickly access administrative tools, backup and restore options and other important management settings from a single window. For this, you must have administrative privileges. Let us start. Create a folder and now rename this folder. Copy this code and rename this folder. After renaming this folder, icon will change into another icon which looks like control panel. Open this, you have 200 plus important settings which includes administrative tools, backup and restores, device and printers, date and time, and all other important settings within a single window. Subscribe the channel to get more updates.